No noise, no flex, just work, next set. No noise, no flex, just work, next set.
Hello friends, welcome again. And you already know I'm Abhishek, your friend, teaching you new things daily. In last video, we have seen from the math perspective how we can learn mathematics in a practical way. Today, we are taking a topic from the science and we will again see it how we can implement it practically. So the topic is the most important part of science, that is light, because no one can move faster than the speed of light. So today I'm going to talk about that. The beautiful part about the light is it has also not escaped the laws that define its physics. The first and foremost part that I'm going to talk today and going to show practically is the angle of incidence and reflection. The statement for the law is the angle incident on a plane surface like mirror is equally reflected from the surface. What does it mean? If there is a mirror and you incident one ray on that at some particular angle to the normal, the same light will go away at the same angle at which it entered. So we are going to show it practically today. So get ready for that. Let's come. So till now we have covered the theoretical part. Let me show you the practical part. Here we are having one mirror. Can you see this mirror? Along with it, I have kept one protector. Now protector is having angle inscribed in it. Okay. So if I will put, and this is one laser light. Okay. This is a laser light. If you can see. So this laser light, what it will do? I will try to incident one laser light at particular angle. Now following the law of nature, the angle of incidence of the light will become same for the angle of reflection. Means the laser which will come from this side, striking the mirror, will come at the same angle at which it has ended. Let me show you demo. As you can see, this little light I am reflecting at 60 degree in here. So it is going approximately at 60. Can you see that? Yes. This light is coming from 460 degree. Okay. Can you see? 460. It is coming back. There is a full wave. So more brighter version, I can do one day. I can show you like this. Right? So if I will change the angle, the same angle will be before. Okay. So 15 is 15. Now 40. 40 is 30. You think so. Right? At 40 angle. At 30, it's 30 people. At 20, it will go away. At 20. Can you see this one? The only thing is you have to keep the laser very straight. Then only you can see this one. So the keep on moving, it will go according and the same thing will happen from that side. Now, okay, we have seen till now the theory and experimentation to prove our theory, right? But what about the robotics part? What is my specialization is about the robotics. How can I use the same principle of science and mathematics practically? Now, I state one law in a different way. That law only I will state it different. If I can see you in the mirror, then you can see me. Okay? The same thing applies on that part only. Now, the object will be kept at some distance, okay? But I will not be watching the object directly. I will be at some other point. Now, the common thing about the object and me will be that mirror, okay? So if I can see the object in the mirror and I will point this laser at that object, the angle that you will see, observe, will remain the same. Means angle I, the angle of incidence equal to angle R, the angle of reflection. So it both will be the same. Let us do practically and then I will give you some examples where we can make some machines in daily life. Now let's do the demonstration part. Here I am having again the same laser. The mirror is there. The object I have chosen is this portal of sight. Okay. So for better visibility, let's switch off the light first. Okay. So first I will show you the laser. Okay. And I will demonstrate you Now from here I can see the bottle, okay, in the mirror, means the bottle can see me. Now to prove this point that the angle of light incidence equal to light reflection, I am going to put this later on. Now let's start the practical. Now you can see that the laser is coming on the bottle, right? So now I'm going down on the this one. Now our videographer will go near to the mirror and adjust the protector accordingly. Because the normal should come in the middle. Then only the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection you can see from nearby, right? So the bottle is getting my laser point following the laws of light. That's it. Thank you very much for today. And this same principle can be used instead of this bottle. You can keep the sensor, and you can make one burglar alarm for your home. So it is how we learn this time and practically implement it. Thank you.